In this video, I'll show you how to delete all emails on Gmail at once. To get started, go ahead and open your Google Mail account. So once you've opened your Google Mail account, that will take you into this section on your inbox. On your inbox, go ahead and click on this box icon above the primary section. So above it, you'll find this box icon, and once you click on that box icon, you'll be able to select all of the messages on your inbox. You can also filter the messages that you can select by clicking on this drop down. Once you click on this drop down, this will take you here. So simply select all, since what you want to do is delete all of your Gmail messages. So on the right side of that, find this delete button. So click on that to be able to successfully delete all of the mails on your Google Mail account. And that's basically how you can delete all of your mails on your Google Mail account. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.